Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over my GameStop Harry Potter Funko mystery box. And I've been wanting to open this for quite some time here because it has 1 in 2 chances of getting a Chase Series Black or just a regular. Where he's holding the Prisoner of Azkaban sign there. So yeah, let's get right into this. We will open... Oh, and we have the Professor Snape in the mini pop. Yeah, that is too cool. So that is the mystery one that's in there. And in every box you get a Harry Potter, the 5-star. So, and I won't open it all the way, but as you can probably see here. Actually, yeah, let's just open that so you can see it better. Uh-oh. Maybe you can probably see it there. A little bit better. I think they're missing a piece in here. Oh, popped out. It's the little... There's a little golden snitch that was in there. And... oh, we have the guy that goes into the Shrieking Shack, or the night bus. And last and not least, let's see which one we have here for the Series Black. And I have the regular Series Black. And I will open this on a future video because I have a whole line of Harry Potter Funko Pops that I'm going to open in certain waves, or I want to ask you guys if you guys want to see this in waves, or just see all my Harry Potter Funko Pops opened all at once. But it's going to be a super long video, so that's why I want to ask you guys if you guys want to see them in waves or open all at once. So yeah, so that was all the stuff that was in this mystery box here from GameStop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give me a big huge thumbs up and comment down below what you guys thought of these GameStop mystery box items. And until next time, see you guys soon, and hit that subscribe button.